To replace the cabinet filter on this vehicle, you will need a T-25 Torx screwdriver. Unscrew the 2 screws holding the panel below the glove box. Pull down on the panel to disconnect it from the rear and disconnect the interior light socket. Pull the carpet back from the left corner as far as you can. The next step is to pull the fuse box. There is a latch at the top that can be reached with a flat blade screwdriver if it is too hard to unlatch. Disconnect the blue connector to the fuse box and pull the box away to have access to the filter compartment cover. Remove it by pulling the 3 tabs towards you. You can now pull the filter out. You will have to twist the filter to remove it. The debris is at the back of the filter, so the air flows towards the back of the vehicle. Your new PUREFLOW filter will come with installation instructions in the box. Twist and insert the new filter in the housing with the arrows pointing towards the back of the vehicle. This process is tedious and may take some time. Reinstall the filter housing cover and make sure all 3 tabs click into position. Reinstall the fuse box until it clicks into place and reconnect the blue connector. Reposition the carpet in its place. Reconnect the interior light socket and insert the back tab to align the panel and reinstall the 2 remaining screws. And the cabin air filter maintenance is done.
What makes PUREFLOW filters unique are the 4 layers of filtration technology. A filtration layer to eliminate dust and pollen, activated charcoal to trap mold and harmful gases from pollution, baking soda to absorb bad musty smells, and antimicrobial technology to suppress the growth of bacteria, mold, mildew, and fungi. PUREFLOW. Breathe better air.